It's the program. We're on TV. Once again, once a day, every day. On the machines and live forever. Here we go. It's Tuesday. And it's April 24th. Is that right? I thought yesterday was the 24th. Where's that tape? Monday. Tuesday 24th. This should be the 25th. It's not right. No, it's today's Wednesday. Oh, wow. Wednesday. Gotta change this stuff. You know, I looked at the day and I was like, oh, did I say it's Tuesday? I think I might have. Didn't change this. Sometimes change things, sometimes you don't. You wake up, come over here, start this thing, but you get to watch. This is what I do usually right before we start, but today I'm doing it after. Today is 25th. And it is not Tuesday. It doesn't feel that real today. It feels less real than yesterday. It's not feeling super real. Wednesday is what they call it. And it's the 6th. There we go. Oh, I think the computer has it right, I believe. What about this thing? This is Monday. This is Monday's tape, and then Tuesday's tape. They both ended up with these end labels on the tapes from 2 days in a row. So now I gotta, like, you know, get these end labels off and label these tapes the correct way. You know, I woke up, I thought it was the wrong day of the week. It's like, oh, what happened? I guess I knew somewhere. That doesn't seem right. It's not right. I have all these systems in place, but sometimes they don't happen until after we're going. Nobody to proofread. Immediately like, wait, you didn't do that thing. I'm doing it. And even if I did do the wrong one, who's to say it was after it? Like, it could be that one forever, but then it's just going to affect me in the future. I'm going to be looking back at these tapes and be like, that seems like it's the wrong day. Got all these boxes, maybe, or, you know, in a couple of years we'll go back to look at those boxes. We'll look through the boxes and like, these tapes make no sense. What did we do now? And now I'm trying to think about then. Now it's because we have all these other tapes that if we back then we could have done something about it, put them in the boxes if we had the box system going back then. But then we don't have a display system. See, right now with the boxes it's pretty good, but not like we want to display these anyway. I think that's done with. I think that the Arts Walk thing is going to be this week though, but that store is gone anyway. The place where Dan Bennett had all his stuff. I'm wondering if they're going to be out there. Anyway, Dan Bennett, you going to be doing your art show? Because I'm pretty sure that store is gone, right? Is it gone? I got that tape off, the end label. Now I'm going to get this tape label off. I don't know. I haven't ever gone to that store anyway. I don't know if it's still there. We're going to do that art thing at the corner store again, at the weed store. Dan Bennett. I don't think so, though. I guess we could try to call him, but I don't think that Dan Bennett's awake right now. Unless he goes to TCTV in the morning. I think Dan Bennett is a sleeper. If I had to guess. Like, Dan Bennett, what's your sleeping schedule? And he's like, well, are you a sleeper or awake? A morning bird. Are you a morning bird? Or a night owl? I guess they're both kind of birds, right? A morning worm? People say morning bird, or am I making that one up anyway? No, night owl is the one, but not morning bird. Morning badger. I'm a morning bear. Night owl, morning bear. Like, you're a morning person. Like people, like if you're in the morning, you get to be a person. If you're at night, you get to be an owl. You a morning person or a night owl? Can I be a night person or I'm a morning owl, but they don't have morning owls. That's why they call them night owls, because owls are nocturnal. But like I'm a morning owl. I'm a morning person. Morning, like what's out in the morning but not at night. That's the thing. Like animals, as far as animals go. Seagulls. Yeah. They're mostly out in the daytime, or like chickens. Spring chicken. The spring chicken is a young person, or is new to whatever's going on. Like, and I guess it's a bad thing anyway. Or is it? Or no, maybe it's a good thing. I ain't no spring chicken. Saying you're old. But I think that's saying like, they're like, how did you know, how did you have the experience level to finish this? I thought that you would not be able to. You say, well, I ain't no spring chicken. This is my first rodeo. And or you know, if you're going to go to the rodeo, and you know, you're talking to the bull rider, like, you ready for this bull riding? I know I've seen on TV people get gouged by bulls, and it seems very dangerous and scary. I wouldn't want to be a bull rider. Like, you're very brave to this. You know, I don't know about this. This is my first rodeo. I don't know about this whole thing. This whole bull riding thing is kind of freaking me out. It's my first rodeo. Uh-oh. It's my first rodeo. This is not my first rodeo. I've never been to a rodeo, let alone participated in one. I don't know. I guess they have them around here somewhere. I don't know what constitutes a rodeo, though. I've seen a horse. Like, look at this rodeo. You see, like, you walk it on a trail, nature trail, and you see a horse, you know, and you're like, it's the rodeo! Or the state fair. I've been to the state fair. They have the horses with the kids. Dressed up, they dress up their horses, and they have like horse dressing competitions and walking around. It's kind of like a dog show. They're the horse show. Or it's not like they're doing races and stuff with horses. It's about like who can groom the horse the best. And say, I have the best groomed horse in all of Thurston County. And somebody can claim that, and they have the I forgot to set the timer. Pretty sure it's. I'm gonna reset the timer. But the groomed horses. So now I'm trying to do some math in my mind. 40, 0, 10, 20, 40, about 42. There we go. Grooming a horse. Right now, that's 10:30. 40, so 30, 40, 50, 0, 10, 20. Alright, I think I set the timer in a good way, hopefully, and it all works out for me, and I'm not going to be overtime or under time or late or early. Look at the comb job on that horse. What a well-groomed rodeo horse. Oh, this is my first rodeo. I'm rewriting on this tape. Monday, this one's the Monday tape. And then I gotta write on the other tape after that. And then put them in the box. The April box. Relabeling the tapes. 24 Tuesday. 2775. Today must be 2776. We've made it. We've made it pretty far into days. Let's take a look at some of this tape stuff. Take a look at, I want to take a look at 2016. And then we'll take a look at some of this stuff from 2017 and see how close we are on the days. What's in there right now? And that's the messages. There are more recent messages from the future. Science?
Yeah, light sail.
That's a good shirt you had there.
And, oh, I talked about Arts Walk and all the crazy things that...
Oh, it's coming up. Yeah, there's Dan Bennett talking about Arts Walk, just like I was talking about, thinking about.
That's right, Yule.
Daily Hour with me.
Hey everybody.
You'll get to
It's
see
the
Kenny sneeze probably, I didn't really count well, but at
was the
least
past.
12 times.
Yeah, I sneezed a lot.
More, maybe 15
Dan talks
times.
about the, what, science?
Yeah, light sail.
That's a good shirt you had there.
And, oh, I talked about Arts Walk and all the crazy things that went down.
Mr. Ginsu's on the phone. Don't curse, Mr. Ginsu. Hello?
Also, I
He
did
hung
not
up.
win the dice roll.
Don't curse.
And I
360
I fake cried. I did a good job.
Thanks for the warning.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Oh.
YDHWM.
Well, what day is today? Well, 25th, alright. So, why was tomorrow a TCTV day? I guess we'll find out tomorrow. It don't quite make sense to me right now. Alright, this is the messages to the future from last year, from like around this time. I don't know about the days, if the days are right on here or not. I think they're not. It's Monday. Again. Yeah, good. We have the thing on there. So I don't know when we were off to, but today is, well, in my, what's the 25th though?
Remember the past?
Yeah?
Remember when you were young? Remember when we were so young and the world was our oyster?
I wish there was no
And in the future, you're losing
Yeah.
more time of your life.
Yeah, you get older, you become disillusioned.
I'm illusioned, I'm dying.
Are you illusioned? I'm maybe not when you watch this. All right. Bye, future.
Yep.
Bye.
Best wishes.
Bye.
Again, for 5 days or so.
Mm-hmm.
How many days into it are we now?
5.
It's Monday again, and I think we started on Friday, maybe Friday, Saturday, maybe even earlier than Friday. It was the 19th, and now it's the 24th, so this is the 5th day into it. I feel like it's like a little program on the program. It's like day 5 of this little segment where we talk to ourselves in the future. It's like we do this every day. It's that little segment. We're only gonna do an hour every day. I got curry today.
Oh, sorry.
Future in the past, if you remember.
I want that.
Freddie's doing his laundry and he saw a fox. Mr. Ginter is still upset about doctors not giving people drugs, pain medicine. I think you should be over that. How's the future?
It's mine.
You have
Oh, good. Great.
like ovens that you can put in like powder. You put powder into a cup,
Look, I'm dressed the same.
and then you put the cup in the in this machine and it turns it into whatever food you desire? No. You have androids doing all the work for you? No. Self-driving cars? No. Have we colonized space? No. Yep. You can't tell us. You're in the future. We're in the past. We can tell you, though. I'm telling you. We don't have any of that stuff now. And hopefully, maybe we'll have it. Look at that wire. I'm gonna say bye now, future. And I hope you're alive. I am alive. Bye. Bye. And now we're talking into the future. Yeah, it's me. Hi, future. It's Tuesday. 25th. People aren't on the phones today. I'm trying to call some people and haven't gotten through yet. You'll get through. Yeah, nobody has answered the phone so far. It's been Yellow Fellow, Freddie. I guess it's only 2 people. It's not that many. Oh, and Bird also. That's 3. So that's not that many people to do this thing, but it's a good amount of people. What's it like in the future? It's great. What do you have in the future? We have those food things. Do you have cars? Interactive video games? They're all interactive. Where it's like puts you in a world, it's like a hologram world. You have a hologram world, or you can plug like you have the Matrix. Do you have communication with animals? No, I don't think that communication with animals is a very good deal. I think we already pretty much have communication with animals because they're not capable. It's not like they have thoughts in there that you're going to be able to translate. They aren't saying things. Maybe it's like when you can understand animals, it's like you can understand feelings, and then you can understand people on another level too if you can talk to the animals. If you could talk to the animals, maybe you could talk to each other and really get down to what's real with all of us and at our animal level, which is in there. And that's why you can try to think that animals are thinking because they're doing some of the stuff that we do, but we also are thinking on top of that, or using language at least. And the animals are just not. Yeah. So you can try to talk to them in the future with technology. But it's not a technological thing to talk to animals. It's got to be a feelings. Yeah. But maybe you have those future feeling robots. All right, thanks, future. That's our message here. I'm gonna say bye today again. But goodbye, future. Bye. We're alive. I'm alive. At some point, we realized that those should be shorter than longer, but I guess then they're longer. Oh, Dan Dober tried to call us. Dan Dober, it's been a while. Where have you been? No, it's still a little bit early, though, maybe, to call Dan Dobler back. I don't know if I should wait till at least 10 o'clock. That's not for a while, so maybe we'll just call him and see what happens. Let's see. Dan Dobler, you awake yet? What's it doing? Come on, phones. I want to hear this message. It's going a little slow. I want to get one of there. I gotta get a box. Phone box. I can't hear this Danny. I haven't talked to him in a while.
Hi, Kitty. This is Dan.
Hey, Dan.
It looks like I'll probably be moving downtown eventually. At a place called Shag. A place called Shag. And you can't smoke there. You can't smoke there.
Where?
And that's okay. That's okay.
Yeah, you shouldn't be smoking anyway, Dan.
I'll be able to be on the program or else if it's okay. It's right downtown.
Uh-huh.
And
You moving downtown, Dan?
You haven't come me calling me. You haven't called me very much recently. You didn't call me. And Frederick, I saw Frederick last night.
How was that?
Tell me back.
All right, here we go. Dan Dobler. Ken, it's been a while, a little too long, maybe. Yeah, when was the last time we called him? A week ago. It's been a whole week, damn. Where have you been?
I'm sorry, the person you are trying to reach has a voicemail box that has not been set up yet. Please try your call again later. Goodbye.
And where's your voicemail box? All right, let's call my grandmother next, and Andrew. But Andrew's probably gonna be asleep unless she tries to wake him up. Was it yesterday we talked to her, and he's like, "Don't tell them to kick him out of the house." Get out of here. She said, I think yesterday.
Hello, this is Ty's phone. Leave a name and number, and she'll call you back as soon as you can. Thank you.
Hello, Grandma. It's Kenny. You there? I'm calling him, see how you doing. You see if you're taking medication today. Probably asleep, maybe. You can call me back in about 7 minutes today. All right, well, here, let's do the new message to the future. Look at a couple of weeks of it, and then call Freddie after that, because I think it's maybe a little early still. Maybe we should call Yellow Fellow out there in Philadelphia. But we'll do this first.
Goodbye.
All right, here we go. Moving it up, moving this thing up. Okay, taking the tape, moving this one down, moving the replay up. So we've been looking at the messages. Hey, future, it's us, the past. We've been looking at those messages from the past, from like this, and we're watching them from last year now, and we made the whole round. Dan Dobler says he's moving downtown or something like that. People are sleeping. It's early. Look at this. That's not for a while, so maybe we'll just call him and see what happens. Yeah, early. Bye. All right, let's look at a couple of weeks of this stuff. Like 2 weeks. I want to look at 2 weeks. Alright, here's today. And then here's yesterday, Tuesday. And before Tuesday was Monday. Then should be Sunday before Monday. That's how time works. Here's Sunday, yeah. Then Saturday. Yep. Friday, Thursday, before Thursday. And then we'll be at 1 week after that. So here's Thursday with Bird, it looks like. Bird was your last Thursday? Time flies. Wednesday, okay, that's 1 week ago. And then before that is Tuesday, another Tuesday. And then Monday. And before Monday is Sunday. Oh, I was wearing my winter jacket only about a week and a half ago. Sunday, Saturday, Friday. Woo, woo, woo. Was that? Yeah, there it is. Thursday. And then Wednesday, this is the one we're going to look at right here. From 2 weeks ago. What you got, Brad? Hey, future, it's us. The past. Oh, hey, past. It's Wednesday, and did you notice that the numbers have been kind of crazy recently? Yeah. I don't know which ones is right, but today's the morning. Here goes calling Freddie, producer. Yeah, this was earlier today on the, when I tried to call Freddie. It's Wednesday, and I'm live, and remember that, like, people want dollars now instead of change? Yeah. Bye. It's too much. Bye. Hey, future, it's us, the past. Hey, today is Thursday, and remember about saying I told you so when good things and bad things happen, and don't put your barbecue restaurant next to the children's hospital. And make sure if you do build flame retardant walls. Thanks. Bye. Bye. Hey, future, it's us, the past. Hey, whoa, whoa, whoa! We're just talking to Andrew and my grandma about Roseanne and reboots and Trump a little bit. It's Friday. Yeah, bye. Bye. Friday. Hey, future, it's us, the past. Hey, here we are today. It's Saturday. And I decided to try to find John Webster again. Where is he? Dan Doble said he's having some more anxiety attacks. We talked to Grandma. Freddie's going to Disneyland. Wow, Freddie, you already got him back. Let's see some of the replay. Oh, what's happening on the show? What's the crime today?
And you know, all kinds of stuff.
Bye. Bye. All kinds of crime. Hey, future.
Hey, future. Nice to see ya.
Take your medication.
Yeah, don't, maybe like get a box, check it off or something if you need to remember.
Yeah. Bye. Bye. Hey, future, it's us, the past. Here we are on Monday. Where do deer sleep? Do they have a home? Look Andrew up. Freddie's going to Disneyland today. Monday, bye. Monday. Hey, future, it's us, the past. Do you have anything to say to the... Oh, Dan hung up. It was Dan Doble on the phone. We talked to Andrew a little bit on the... Also, he broke Grandma's light. Oh, she's upset about it. Okay, bye. And you're not helping things. Yesterday was like, get out of the house. Hey, future, it's us, the past. Hey, past. It is April 19th or April 18th, and this is the last day from 2017 when we had the 90 return. Now we've turned from last year, so the 19th is the first day that we started the other way of doing the tape this way that we're still doing. So this is like the last day before we go to the year. Yeah. It's like Flippin' Tape Styles year
Flippity floppity.
Eve anniversary day. Wednesday. Bye.
Bye. Oh, we've been looking at those tapes for a week now.
Future.
Hi, Future. I'm in California.
Oh, California. Wow.
What do you have to say to the
It's sunny outside.
If you go to a theme park, you should drink water, lots of water. Bring water bottles.
Yes.
And anywhere.
Yes.
Oh, yeah,
Stay
drink lots of water all the
hydrated.
time.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh, I almost hung up.
You're so excited about something.
Hey, future, it's us, the past.
Hey, past.
It's Friday the 20th. Are you watching this in 2019? Are you watching it further into the future? Hi, future.
Hi.
On the 19th we started this thing, and now I'm on this, and I'm experiencing how it's gone through the years. Bye.
Bye.
Hey, future, it's us, the past.
Hey, past.
You got anything to say to the future? Mr. Ginsu?
Mr. Ginsu.
Oh, the phones are acting weird.
Right back. You hung up on me.
No, you're still there. Okay, bye, future.
What?
Bye. Future, it's
Hey.
us, the past.
I'm back from Disneyland.
We're going in overtime. Bye.
Bye. Sunday, then Monday. Here's Monday.
Hey, future, it's us, the past.
Hey, past.
It is Monday, and I'm trying to get these days on the days.
Monday.
So that you know when you're looking at it in the year what day it is.
Yeah, it's important.
Monday. Check it out. The future. What's it like in the future?
Great. Monday, here's Tuesday.
Hey, future.
Hey.
Hey, everybody, make sure you always clean and keep your grandparents happy.
Yeah.
Especially when we live with them.
It's Tuesday.
Oh, yes,
The 25th or 24th. Bye.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Here's today, the next day, Wednesday. That's today. Hey, future, it's us, the past. Hey, past. We've been looking at those messages from the past, from like this, and we're watching them from last year now, and we made the whole round.
Yeah.
Dan Dobler says he's moving downtown or something like that. Downtown, Dan. People are sleeping. It's early. Where do you live now? Look at this. That's not for a while, so maybe we'll just call him, see what happens.
Yeah.
Early.
Bye.
All right. That was that. That was all those things. That was the tapes. Oh. Somebody's calling us right now. Who is it? Dan Dobler? Or who is this? Or my brother, maybe. Oh, there's no stupid phones acting up. Come on, I want to hear this message. We got a new one. I think it's my brother. Come on, message. Stupid phones.
Hey, you just call. Okay, bye.
All right, here we go. Calling Andrew back. Guess he's awake.
Ring-a-ding-a-ding, Andrew. Playing some phone tag. Hello.
Hey, program.
Hey.
Why it take so long to call me back?
Well, how long was it?
I don't know. 10 minutes, not that long.
10 minutes. I've been looking at other stuff. I didn't realize that you had called.
Oh, yeah? What were you doing?
I was looking at some messages from the past.
Uh-huh.
Oh, yeah. What are you doing?
I'm walking to work.
You were walking?
Yeah, I'm walking to the bus stop. I'm gonna walk through cut through the school, so I'm gonna look all, like, not scary.
Well, how do you do that?
Look straight ahead where I'm gonna go, and don't look at the school bunch.
don't look
I try not to have shifty eyes and
put your hands up.
Look at the school.
Put your hands behind your head.
No, I pull my hands out of my pockets, so make sure I do that.
Yeah, put them behind your head. Interlace your fingers. Put them behind your head.
Yeah.
Look here, yeah.
Yep. Sometimes I'm always wearing all black.
Oh, yeah?
So I'm always like, afraid for that too.
You gotta get one. Don't they have the safety vests at your work?
Safety vest?
Yeah.
Like a vest with reflectors on it?
Yeah.
No.
They don't have those?
I don't know. If they do, I don't use it.
Yeah, well, yeah, I mean, you don't wear them. You know how to wear them. It seems like they might sell them, though.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. They sell them, yes. Probably.
Go get one.
They sell everything. You can hardware stores are crazy. You can build a whole house. You can do, like, anything. Yeah.
It's like there's deconstructed houses in that house. Or in the store.
Yeah, you can build like a little house inside those. Yeah, they're big.
Just build in the corner and maybe nobody will notice.
What's that giant house over there? Yeah.
Well, people are like, oh look, they made a new display shed.
Mm-hmm.
And then they'll think it's a display shed forever, and they won't communicate with each other.
Keep out.
Oh, it just says like display shed. Just put an outrageous price. Put an outrageous price on the outside of it.
But no one even wants to look at it?
Nobody will ever buy it. And they'll be like, oh, wow, it's an expensive shed. Be like, I live in there.
So I'd be living in the shed, huh?
Yeah. There's like lots of buildings. You know that Albertsons over there?
No.
Like next to...
Oh, my grandma's house? Yeah.
Yeah, it seems like that place...
I was thinking go live in an abandoned house. Or, I was thinking you should go live in the downtown building.
Oh, yeah, the mistake?
The mistake on the lake?
Yeah. They're gonna...
Yeah.
I heard they're gonna tear it down pretty soon.
Really?
That's a rumor.
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Well, you should go live in it.
Yeah, before they tear it down?
Yeah.
Or while they tear it down.
Maybe hobos already live there.
This is my home. Yeah. They should.
Yeah, who goes in there? No one keeps track of that place. Maybe hobos live there.
Yeah. They should like allow the hobos to live there, but I think that if they did, that they would piss everywhere.
Yeah, why not?
Why not piss everywhere?
No, why can't hobos live there?
Because they would piss everywhere.
No one else uses it. Okay?
They would piss on it.
They would piss on it. Yeah, like pee buckets. You live like civilized hobos. Why are you going to pee on your own house?
Well, then what do you do with the buckets?
You like, before there was plumbing, you just dump it out the window.
Yeah. I know what. That's how you get the Black Plague.
No.
No.
No, Black Plague comes from rats.
Oh, not from lack of proper sanitation.
Well, maybe that's how the rats got the plague.
Probably a little bit of both.
Yeah. I think so.
Yeah. I don't know where there's like lots of camps. Yeah, it's kind of a problem downtown with the bathroom.
There's only that one bathroom.
There's only that one bathroom. There's tons of homeless people. Where is all their shit?
Yeah, they already piss and shit everywhere. Where
Yeah.
Where are they going?
Yeah, why not the building? They could turn Albertsons into like bunks, so they could fit like hundreds of people in there if they made bunk beds and you lived in there. Sometimes I think people should live like that anyway. Like, why do we need homes? Why don't we just have like bunk beds in a big warehouse where we go and sleep, and then once we wake up, then we go out and we don't have a home. We just live in the world, and then we just go back and crash at this place.
It's like Imagine, the John Lennon song. Imagine no possessions.
Yeah, yeah.
Easy if you try.
Yeah, no possessions. You just live.
Yeah, one day you will join us. I don't know.
You just go live in the bunks. There's like a locker room.
Yeah.
And then you just go and you can use the showers and all this stuff. It's like a jail.
It sounds like probably something that happens like in India or something. I don't know.
It's like
China.
it's like you live at jail, but you can leave.
You live at jail willingly.
But then you can leave.
So like I'm living in the, and then you leave. Oh yeah.
You can go out and do whatever you want, and you can sleep whenever you want and stuff too. But you just go and there's this jail. It's basically a jail because they got a cafeteria. You can go eat there.
Go, well, if you get a bunch of money, buy the jail. Or not jail, buy the Albertsons and then do that.
Turn it into a jail?
A free jail, yeah.
Free jail.
Like that.
That's what I call it. They're like, I call it cheap living bunk beds. This is just a jail! No? It's modeled after...
hear the door slam behind them.
But what's so bad about that?
This is just a jail.
What's so wrong about that? This seems like a jail. It's like, well, maybe jail's got it right, and now jail, because of these jails, they made it seem like it's bad. It's like capsule hotels, you know?
It's because people want their possessions. They can't do it. It's the John Lennon song again. They can't do it.
Yeah, they want all their things. Lose your things. You don't need things.
Yeah. But you know who did need his things? John Lennon.
Yeah, he didn't really get rid of anything.
No, and he's just imagining it, and then he like goes back to his mansion.
I heard he was kind of a jerk.
Oh yeah, he is a big jerk. Womanizer.
Yeah.
He beat woman.
He probably, yeah, and then he lies about imagining things. Or he's like teasing. He's like, imagine a great world. It's fake.
Yeah.
Not very nice.
I don't really, I don't know how I stand on that. I was just thinking about that in my head, like, I don't know, yesterday or something, like, so there's celebrities who are cool, not cool, I mean, celebrities who put out, like, good art or music or something, but they're assholes, you know?
There's a lot of them, yeah.
But then, there are, like, celebrities who are, like, it's really lame as far as, like, what they do, like, with their, like, music.
Yeah.
But then they're okay people. They're cool people.
Yeah, well, there's a lot of cool people in the world.
Uh-huh.
Sometimes they're connected. Like, if you have to be doing new things, maybe you have to be a little bit of a jerk.
Yeah, you're probably a jerk, yeah. Like, on It's Always Sunny, Josh Groban, he was a guest on there, and people on Reddit were like, you know, I'm not really a fan of his music, but I bet he's a cool guy.
Yeah, if you're like, otherwise you're just like buying into the system and doing things traditionally, unless you're in like the only people you can't be doing new things unless you're kind of a jerk.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you kind of a jerk?
What do you think?
I don't know. Yes.
Yeah, I am not a jerk. That's what who would ever say. Nobody's gonna admit to being a jerk. Well, I think
sometimes you gotta break a few eggs.
If you admit to being a jerk, then you probably aren't one.
Okay, I'm gonna get on the bus now.
If you're like, I'm a jerk, okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
Alright, let's call Freddie. I think Freddie just tried to call us, actually. So, check this message, and then we only have a few minutes left.
Hey, you just call. Okay, bye.
Uh-oh, what's happening? Well, that was Dan Dobler. No, come on, phones. We only have minutes. We only have a few minutes. I gotta call Freddie. I gotta listen to Freddie's message and call him.
Hey, program, it's Freddie. I'm calling because I got some stuff to talk about. Like, saw something on the street. There was a overturned vehicle. I didn't see the accident, but this car was flipped upside down on 14th and Tweeter-Kenny, right by where I was leaving for Panorama. That was pretty crazy. It was literally upside down.
Whoa.
And then also I was calling because I guess Heat Shimmer is not going to play on the first Friday coming up. It's actually going to be Star Chi, which is like a band that has some members of Heat Shimmer, but I guess one person is not able to make it, and so they're doing a different band. And then, yeah, anyway, I think that's mostly the stuff. Give me a call back.
Starchy. Not starchy? Like a sheet or something? You start your sheets? That seems weird. A suit. Shirts. Food. Food is starchy, right? Ring-a-ding-a-ding, Freddie.
Please leave your message for
Frederick Dobler.
Frederick Dobler.
Hey, Freddie, it's the program. You saw an overturned car somewhere? It seems kind of crazy. Was it okay? Was there blood leaking out of the car windows? Did you save somebody? Did you run into her? Hey, I saw an overturned car. And like, oh, hey, I ran into a burning fire and saved a bunch of people. I don't want to talk about that part, being modest. Are you being modest? And that you're a hero who has saved people out of a burning car? Are you burned a little bit? Like, I saved some people out of a burning car, but now I'm burned a little bit too. Sometimes I say don't go into the burning building because then you'll have two people to save. The fire department will have two people to save. But maybe they want to be the heroes. Instead, it's the fire department being selfish. Because they become, like, why would you become a fireman in the first place unless you wanted to be a hero? So maybe they're just trying to be heroes. What was that thing about? What is starchy? Is it starchy, like Chinese energy chi and stars, or starchy like rice or noodles are starchy, or you can starch a shirt or your sheets or something. That's if you want to have hard clothing. I think people starch their shirts to be hard. It's like this shirt is crisp and thick, like it's not moving at all. I don't know what kind of shirt that would be. That doesn't seem super comfortable to me to be wearing. Hard clothes. I like clothes soft. They say here's a dryer softener. Is it clothes softener? They should be pretty soft and malleable. But some people want them crunchy and starchy, I guess. Or like I think Adventure Time's butler's starchy, or the janitor. Oh, here's starchy. Maybe that may be a joke because he's a donut person. Starchy. Oh, Heat Shimmer. It's like. Stars are hot and shimmering, so maybe it's like a similar kind of deal. we still got to figure it out. You can call us back, but you're not gonna have time today because the show's just about over. Like the timer's gonna go off any second. There it is. Here's the timer. It's the end of the show. We made it. Thanks for watching. It's Wednesday. We're on TCTV channel 22 at 11:30 and 2 a.m. Check it out. YDHWM.com. Yeah. 360-364. Call and leave a message. Get on TV. Thank you. 109 State Avenue number 3. That's our address. Come see. 10 Olympia, Washington 9501. Yeah. Graham, it's a good song. Thank you. TCTV, La Bebe, Jordan E. Fabulous, Graham, StopSpot.com, Don Website, Thurston County Washington State, USA. Thank you, and viewers. That's you. You're watching. Thank you. Hell yeah, dog. Bye.
To re-record your message, press 3.